Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be asking the questions.
And I'll be answering them.
That's right. If you've ever wondered how to talk about your hometown in English,
This video is perfect for you.
listen carefully to my questions.
And pay attention to my answers. At the end, it will be your turn to answer the same questions.
You can repeat my answers.
Or you can answer based on your own hometown. Ready? Let's get started.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
So tell me, where is your hometown?
My hometown is a small city in the north of my state. It's about 2 hours away from the capital city.
Oh, lovely. Is it a big city or a small town?
It's more like a small town. Everyone knows each other. Sometimes that's nice, and sometimes it's not.
I can imagine. What is your hometown famous for?
It's famous for its beautiful beaches and fresh seafood. Tourists come during the summer to enjoy the ocean and the sunshine.
That sounds wonderful. What's the weather like there?
It's usually warm and sunny. In the summer, it can be very hot, but in the winter, it's mild. We don't really get snow.
No snow? How disappointing.
I know, if you love snow, you might be a little sad.
What do you like most about your hometown?
I love the peaceful atmosphere. It's quiet and the people are friendly. Whenever I walk downtown, I always meet someone I know.
That's charming. What do you dislike about it?
Sometimes it feels too small. There aren't many shopping malls or entertainment centers. If you want something exciting, you have to travel to a bigger city.
I see. What kind of people live there?
Most people are hardworking and kind. Many families have lived there for generations. It's a close-knit community.
Did you enjoy growing up there?
Yes, I did. I had a happy childhood. I used to ride my bike with my friends and play outside until sunset.
That sounds absolutely delightful. What did you usually do for fun?
We went to the beach, had picnics in the park, and sometimes watched movies at the small local cinema.
Is there a special place in your hometown that you really love?
Yes, there's a small park near my house. It has tall trees and a little lake. I often went there when I needed to relax or think.
That's beautiful. Has your hometown changed over the years?
Oh yes, it has changed a lot. There are more buildings now, more traffic, and more tourists. It's not as quiet as it used to be.
Do you think that's a good or bad thing?
It's both. It's good because there are more job opportunities, but it's bad because it's less peaceful.
Do you still live there now?
No, I moved to another city for work, but I visit my hometown whenever I can, especially during holidays.
How do you feel when you go back?
I feel relaxed and happy. It feels like home. Even the smell of the ocean makes me smile.
Oh, that's sweet. Would you like to live there again in the future?
Maybe when I'm older. I think it would be a wonderful place to raise a family.
Would you recommend people to visit your hometown?
Absolutely. If you love nature, good food, and friendly people, you would love my hometown.
One last question. If you could describe your hometown in 3 words, what would they be?
Peaceful, friendly, and beautiful.
What a perfect description! Now it's your turn.
We're going to ask the same questions again.
First, you can repeat my answers exactly as I said them.
Or you can pause the video and answer with your own ideas about your hometown.
Ready?
Let's do it!
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is...
Is it big or small?
It is...
What is it famous for?
It is famous for...
What's the weather like?
The weather is...
What do you like most about it?
I like...
What do you dislike about it?
I dislike...
What kind of people live there?
The people are...
Did you enjoy growing up there?
Yes, I did. / no, I didn't.
Has it changed over the years?
Yes, it has. / no, it hasn't.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes, I would. / no, I wouldn't.
Brilliant! Talking about your hometown is a very common topic in daily conversation, job interviews, and English exams.
The more you practice answering these questions, the more confident you'll become.
So don't just watch.
Speak
Repeat the answers.
or create your own.
And if you enjoyed this conversation practice,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
tell us in the comments.
Where is your hometown?
See you
See
in
you
the next video.